Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Welcome back to the Self Love Gang. And guys, I'm really excited because I've started this channel with the motivation of loving myself more this year in 2026. And you know what? Today is 26th January and everything is going according to the plan. Basically, last year I suffered a lot. Last year I was feeling so negative about myself. Maybe I was feeling that I am not using my self potential to the fullest. But this year, I started this journey with kind of resolution that I'm gonna love myself more, no matter what comes in my career, in my personal relationships. But priority should be myself. I'm gonna keep myself on priority, and I made this list. If you're gonna go back to my first video, it's about self-love. If you're gonna go to the second video, it's about the list I made for the January picks. Like these all things I'm gonna do in January. And it was not a big list, it was a very short list of only 5 things. So today's video, it's about that I have almost done all those things. First, I wanted to do some sort of yoga for my mental health and physical health, which I did. I was successful in doing at least 4 days a week. Then I wanted to read one book and finish by this month, which I did. Yes, guys, I finished this book called A Gentle Reminder, and it was so nice that yes, you have to be gentle with yourself. Okay, as a person, of course, I do agree that we suffer a lot, we go through a lot, and sometimes we feel like why it's happening only to us, why we are only suffering in this world. But guys, you should go and definitely read this book. It will going to help you a lot. First of all, guys, I'm so excited to tell you about yesterday. Yesterday was the day where I did almost 3 things from my January picks. First one was trying an outfit I have never worn in my life. Hi girlies, as promised, and you know that we are working on our self-love. So I wanted to try a new outfit this month, January. It was one of the January picks. And today I am all set with that outfit. Even the shoes are ready. I'm gonna show you right now, right here. And not just that, to enhance my self-love, today I'm going on a short trip. From last year, like it's been 5 to 6 months, I have not been anywhere. So today I'm going for some winter activities which I'm gonna show you. But it was always my dream to wear that kind of outfit. Second, make a video in the snow. It is done. Yes guys, we did it. I'm gonna show, wait and watch, I'm gonna show everything. And the third was, it wasn't in the list, but of course I wanted to do it. I made this plan that this year I just kind of manifested it. This year, every month I have to go somewhere I really wanted to go, but always just because of the busy schedule and mood changes, I always just cancel the plan. But yesterday it happened. I from scratch I made this plan that where I have to go, which outfit I have to wear, what kind of videos I have to take, what kind of photos I have to take, what activities I have to do. Basically, from the scratch till the end of the trip is managed and sponsored by me. And I'm really glad that I have people in my life. They are not much, they are very few, but they are very good to me. They are very supportive. They really help me whenever I'm in the need of. So guys, you can see in my previous videos, I was so excited about the outfit. At time I knew some sort of things that I had to buy, but I didn't know that I'll be so happy when I'm going to wear it. So guys, in my previous video, you can go and check that I was so excited about the outfit when I thought that I have to wear some new outfit this month. I was so excited. That plan was amazing. As I promised myself that this year I'm gonna love myself more. I'm gonna do the things which I have never done in my life. Doing this snow tubing right now, and I'm really enjoying it. This is my, I guess, 10th ride. I'm going back, taking my snow tube. just started with a small idea in the mind. It's just a visualization, and then I manifested it to be happen in a real life, and it happened, and it's already done. I have the videos, I have almost checked all the points of my list. So that's what I wanted, and I did it. So guys, so excited, I'm already excited about the February, because in February I have to pick some kind of innovative ideas. This was in January, I just came out with the plan of small basic ideas. Still, it was fun. But in February, I want to come out with the innovative ideas. And you guys can help me. You can just comment down if you have any idea I should do in February for the self love. And yeah, and I have to tell you guys, as I did in January, you can also start from today, that what you have to do in the next month. You can also comment down, you can tell me what are your plans, what are you excited about. You can just share it with me, because I'm really excited to listen it from you guys, what you are thinking, what you want from your life, you want to do this month, this week, today. You can just comment down, you can just share it with me, so that even I can think, oh yeah, even I wanted to do this. So yeah guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video, where I'm going to tell you about my experiences of all the 5 things I've finished. And also, might be I'll come up with a new idea. Even I don't know right now what idea would be that. And it's so fun to think with you guys, and to do that in real life, then achieve it, and having the proof, having the videos, having the photos. It's so fun, guys, I'm telling you. It's all happening because of all the positive vibes. Right now I'm surrounded by good friends, good environment, my books, my innovative ideas. Thanks to God, thanks to you guys, I'm really in gratitude. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Take care, and come up with the innovative ideas. Comment down and let me know. Really, really excited. Bye guys.